A man grows most tired while standing still. Dig the well before you are thirsty. When the winds of change blow, some people build walls and others build windmills. He who asks a question is a fool for 5 minutes. He who does not ask a question remains a fool forever. What you do not wish for yourself, do not do to others. Wheresoever you go, go with all your heart. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. To talk much and arrive nowhere is the same as climbing a tree to catch a fish. If your mind is strong, all difficult things will become easy. If your mind is weak, all easy things will become difficult. Every child born has innate goodness. Often one finds one's destiny just where one hides to avoid it. If you always give, you will always have. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. He who sacrifices his conscience to ambition burns a pitcher to obtain the ashes. We count our miseries carefully and accept our blessings without much thought. If you plan for 1 year, plant rice. If you plan for 10 years, plant trees. If you plan for 100 years, educate mankind. Make happy those who are near, and those who are far will come. Be not afraid of growing slowly. Be afraid only of standing still. A single conversation with a wise man is worth a month's study of books. Outside noisy, inside empty. True knowledge is when one knows the limitations of one's knowledge. A bad word worshipped will echo 100 miles. A wise man makes his own decisions. An ignorant man follows public opinion. A bird does not sing because he has the answer to something. He sings because he has a song. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. To understand your parents' love, you must raise children yourself. If your face is ugly, you can't blame the mirror. The person attempting to travel 2 roads at once will get nowhere. Pearls don't lie on the seashore. If you want one, you must dive for it. Don't listen to what they say. Go see. An invisible thread connects those who are destined to meet. The more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in battle. He who returns from a journey is not the same as he who left. Tension is who you think you should be. Relaxation is who you are. Control your emotions or they will control you. All things are difficult before they are easy. Man's schemes are inferior to those made by heaven. Your teacher can open the door, but you must enter by yourself.